Hello, this video shows how to use the ChainBath, the new chain cleaning device and method on the road when you don't have a stand. So just remove the rear spool, install the tray that collects the dripping from the chain on the ChainBath device. And just put the spool back, and this is all the installation that you have to do. I'm just gonna add some WD-40 or another cleaning solution until the chain is completely submerged. Can you see here? That's the whole setup. Now I'm just gonna walk the bike and you'll see how the chain passes through solution and cleans itself. So I can walk like that for a few meters and the chain passes completely through the ChainBath device. I can go backwards and do the same thing, cleaning the chain. You see how all the chain goes through the solution and it's completely submerged. At this point I'm done, so I just need to lower the ChainBath to allow for the extra cleaning solution to drip from the chain together with the dirt. After a few seconds you can actually remove it. I just cleaned it 2 days ago, so it's not that dirty, but it will collect a lot of dirt from the chain. And I'm just gonna put it back in the bottle. You can see, even if I cleaned it 2 days ago, it still collects some dirt. Now I just need to put back the rear spool. I can put the ChainBath in a plastic bag and that's it. My chain is clean. Thank you.